makakalimutan lang yung magkakalit sa akin si Julius Babaw sa Frontline Pilipinas. And sobrang dami naming news items na tungkol sa inyo. Si Kyle at Karen ang nagde-delete ng news items tungkol sa inyo. Alright, so right now, meron na tayong live Twitter party. Hello sa inyo lahat. Thank you for being with us today. And again, don't forget to use our 2 hashtags for today. Yes, to Mang Inasal Pork Barbecue and hashtag Maton Loves Mang Inasal. At syempre, meron din tayong mga special treats para sa ating live guests ngayon nandito ngayon sa Novotel sa Araneta. And we're happy to give away exclusive and exciting prizes from Mang Inasal. Meron tayong games dito. Alright, meron tayong, okay ba tayo? Pwede tayong mag-games? Sasali naman tayo? Alright, we'll have a couple of exciting games with our news endorsers again. Maton. Okay? Tara, tayo. Ready ba? Okay din ba kayo? Okay din. Alright. Ito, ready tayo dito. Our first game! Madali lang to. Tsaka masaya kasi makakatikim na ng pork barbecue ang mga contestants. Okay? So we're gonna play our Eat It to Win It, brought to you by Mang Inasal Pork Barbecue. The first team that finishes their set of Mang Inasal family-size pork barbecue receives a special prize from Mang Inasal. We need a total of 6 players. Meron tayong tatlo for Team Maris and meron tayong tatlo for Team Anthony. Okay, ito na ang ating contestants. Okay. May we call on Natasha Balana. Lucky Magno.